Hello, my name's Gareth Williams, your business tour guide, and I am down here at the fantastic DPS show with the guys from Husqvarna. I am with
Joe Walsh,
as well as
Rob Drop,
we're doing a fantastic chainsaw competition to see which is the fastest between
battery
or
petrol.
take it away, Rob.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go. "15 seconds is the average. I'm expecting better things with the battery. 3, 2, 1, go. "10.56.
What a fantastic competition. Please tell us which one won.
Battery,
Battery, by how much?
just under 4.5 seconds, I'd say.
4.5 seconds. Rob, how did that make you feel, buddy?
Oh, it's exhilarating.
That's the guys down at Husqvarna at the fantastic DPS show. I've been Gareth Williams, your business tour guide. See you soon.